If you have vehicles or you belong to mechanical engineer or automobile engineer, then you are much familiar with engines. In this video, I am giving a basic information about engines. This topic will be in 3 parts. This is the first part of the topic. So hey everyone, this is Fawaz here, welcoming you to FFK Incorporation. Let's get into the video. A heat engine is a device which converts chemical energy of a fuel to heat energy and then heat energy to mechanical energy. There are 2 types of engines, external combustion engines and internal combustion engines. From the name external combustion engine, it means the combustion of a fuel takes place out of the cylinder. The simplest definition of external combustion engine is that the engine in which the fuel combustion takes place out of the cylinder in a furnace. The heat of these gases are used to rise the temperature and pressure of other working fluid such as steam. This steam is used in steam turbines, steam engines. Since external combustion engines are heavy and bulky, so it is not suitable for mobile plants in transportations. In this engine, fuel gets combusted inside the cylinder along with air, and those produce hot gases. These hot gases expand the piston and produce mechanical energy. After producing the mechanical energy, it gets exhausted to the environment. There are many applications of internal combustion engines. Internal combustion engines used in automobiles such as cars, diesel trucks, buses, scooters, two-wheelers, airplane, marine boats, used to produce 100 megawatts power from a diesel generator. So here are the components of internal combustion engine, which consist of cylinder, cylinder head, piston, piston ring, piston pin, connecting rod, crank, crankshaft, crankcase, inlet and outlet port, valve mechanism, spark plug. This is the diagram of petrol engine, whereas in diesel engine, instead of spark plug, fuel injector are used. Classification of IC engine based on number of stroke, 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine. Based on number of cylinders, single cylinder, multi-cylinder. Based on arrangement of cylinder, inline engine, V engine, radial engine, opposed cylinder engine, opposed piston engine. Based on working cycle, Otto cycle, diesel cycle and dual cycle. Based on ignition, spark ignition and compression ignition. Based on cooling system, water cool system and air cool system. Based on fuel used, petrol engine, diesel engine and bi-fuel engine. 4-stroke IC engine. The working of 4-stroke IC engine is divided into 4 different stages, that is suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. As we can see, the inlet valve is opened with the help of opening mechanism. Piston move from top dead center to the bottom dead center, which create a vacuum inside the cylinder, which sucks the air fuel mixture inside the cylinder. Next stage is compression. In this stage, piston move from bottom dead center to the top dead center. During this stroke, both inlet and outlet valve remain closed, and piston compress the fuel. The next stage is expansion. During this stage, spark plug produce a spark which ignite the fuel mixture, and this push down the piston from top dead center to the bottom dead center. The last stroke is exhaust stroke. During this stroke, piston move from bottom dead center to the top dead center, and outlet valve get open, which push out the hot gases to the environment. This was the working of petrol IC engine. The working of diesel IC engine is as similar as this, but the difference is that instead of fuel, air is used, and instead of spark plug, injection are used, which inject the diesels in the cylinder. That is it for today. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. That make me motivate to do this more. And stay tuned for the next 2 part. Here on the next video, I am going to announce something. So here, Fawaz is signing off.